you're a painting contractor, I guarantee your website sucks. No calls, no form submissions, nothing. Just sits there doing absolutely nothing for your business. In this video, I'm going to break down the three biggest reasons why your website sucks. And if you stay till the very end, I'll show you exactly how to fix all of them. So, starting with number one, the biggest reason why your website sucks is your forms. Now, your forms suck because you're asking too much information and they're single step forms. Okay. Most painting companies have those single step forms on the website, and that means you're asking for everything all up front: name, email, phone number, project, timeline, details. And again, that's all in one step. And when someone sees all of those forms that they have to fill out, they hesitate. It feels like work. And when it feels like work, people don't want to do it. So they leave and they never end up completing the form. And that's why your website isn't converting. And the second biggest reason why your website isn't generating leads and why it sucks is because your website design sucks. Okay. It looks outdated. It does not reflect the quality of your work. And there's no trust on the website, no reviews, no real project photos, no legitimate proof that you are a business. So to a homeowner, you're just like another random crappy website online. And again, if they don't trust you, they're not reaching out. They're not going to become a lead. So that's another reason why your website sucks. Now, the third reason your website sucks is no one is finding it. You're not doing SEO. And just because you have a website does not mean that people are going to visit it and become a lead. And I'm sorry to say this, but if you're like posting your website on Facebook and hoping to get like some traction from there, the only thing that reaches is your mom, your sister, your aunt, and your brother, and no one else is finding out about your website. Okay. So the only way people find your website online that don't already know you is when they search on Google or search AI, house painter near me, painting company near me, and that's SEO. And that's how you get in front of real homeowners who are actually looking to hire. And without that, you get zero traffic to your website. And that means zero leads. Now, I've explained to you the three biggest reasons why your website sucks. And like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I'm going to show you how to fix all this in three easy steps. Okay. Step number one, fix your form. Stop asking everything up front. Turn it into a multi step form. Okay. Start with something simple. Ask for the zip code or the city. And then in the second step, ask about the project. Describe your project and then tell us what you're looking for. Okay. They're going to put the information. And then in the third step, ask for their name, phone number, and email, and then finish with a field that says anything else we should know. This increases the quality of the lead and it also increases conversions. Step number two, stop being cheap. Okay. Pay for legitimate website design. That means you're not hiring someone off of Fiverr or someone overseas and going for the cheapest option and try to get a website built for $500. Okay. That's what's hindering you. You need to pay someone who actually knows what they're doing that can create a very nice design with also these elements that I'm talking about. And think about it. You charge your clients a certain price and you don't want cheap customers, right? Guarantee you said that. So don't be a cheap customer. Okay. Pay for the service, the right service. Now, number three is stop being a cheap ass and invest in SEO. Okay. Your website is never going to be found online if you don't invest in SEO. And SEO is optimizing your website. So when people search online, their your website will come up. Okay. Now it's a little bit of a long-term play, but it's really what drives consistent high quality leads. And I want to bring this home for you. So I want to talk about a real example. Okay. So we have a client called Magnolia Painting in Tomball, Texas. You can go look them up. This website alone, they've generated 10 high quality leads. And why is that? Well, because they have all these three things dialed in that I've just talked about. Okay. They have fast multi step forms on every single page. Their website design is the best in their area. It looks fantastic and they're ranking on Google. Okay. So when people land on their site from Google, they convert. And for example, just today, they got a lead. The person was asking for a quote to paint fascia, eaves, ceiling, entrances, some of the interior as well too. So that came directly from their website, from a form that submitted. Okay. So that person found the website, they trusted it, and they submitted the form. And now my client is going to an estimate and he closes about 80% of these jobs from the website. So that's how it works when you have a website that doesn't suck. So, if you want to see exactly how we build websites and how they actually generate leads, go ahead and watch this next video where I break down the full system so you can see exactly how to create a website that doesn't suck. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next one.